Today we will start with the PHP loops. In this we will be covering while, do while, for each and for each. Okay. So first question comes in the mind is, what is a loop and what is the requirement of a loop? Sometimes in the code, while designing the script, we have to repeat some line of the codes again and again. Instead of writing the same line of the code in a sequence, we can use the loops for the better performance. It saves our time and repetition of the same line of the code is being avoided. Number of line of the code is also being optimized. So in PHP, we have the loops as while, do while, for, and for each. While is used for the block of the code to be repeated for a specified condition is true. Do while is used whenever we want at least once the code should be executed, then the condition is to be tested or checked. For loop, it is used for specified number of the times the line of code to be repeated. For each loop is used for the arrays of the elements. Now, we will discuss one by one in detail. Number first, the while loop. It is used to execute the block of the code until the condition is true. See in this example, we have $i equals to 1, while I is less than equals to 5, echo the number is I, and I is incremented by 1 by 1. We will check this in the code also. How we can write this? For an example, here we will first initialize $i equals to 1. Then we will check the condition while $i is less than equals to 5. Then we will print this and $i plus plus. We'll run this and we will check the output as the number is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now we will have the output as 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. The next is do while loop. It is used whenever at least once the code should be executed, then at the exit, the condition should be checked. See, in this loop, we have initialized I with the 1, and then I is incremented, echo the number, and then the condition is tested. See this. While we'll cut this from here and put this here, semicolon, and this I plus plus here. Run the code and see the output. Check that in this we have omitted 2. And at least once the code is executed 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you will put this I plus plus from here to here only, it will execute as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See this? So this way we can use the loops. Now, the next one is for loop. The for loop is used where we have the specified number of steps already been defined. So it has 3 parts: init, condition, increment, or decrement. So we will check the parameters. Number first is init. It is used to set the counter or initialize the counter. Then we have the condition which will be evaluated. If it is true, then the loop will be executed. If it is false, loop will end. And increment or decrement counter. See the example. In this example, we have written $i equals to 1, $i is less than equals to 5, and I plus plus. So first $i is initialized with 1, then the condition is being checked that $i should be less than equals to 5. and then the number is echoed, then the loop will increment I as 1 plus. That means again it will go to 2, 3, 4, and 5, and the output will be like this. We'll check this on the console also. So first, for dollar I equals to 1, dollar I is less than equals to 5, semicolon, dollar I plus plus. We do not need this while statement now. Remove this. We do not need this increment and decrement because it is already there. No initialization is needed. Already initialized. Now see the output. The number is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now the last loop, for each loop. It is used for the arrays to be iterated. It means the array value will be assigned in a value and the pointer will move from one to another. See this example. Here we have created an array, $array 1, 2, 3. For each $x is a value, and we will print out value. See, we will do this. First, we will create an array. How we have created the array? See this. $x equals to array. Okay, we will do this. $x equals to array, and we will initialize the value double brackets, double quotes 1, 2, 3. We'll do this. Double quotes 1, double quotes closed, comma, double quotes 2, double quotes closed, comma, double quotes 3, double quotes closed, semicolon. Now, for each, now what we have to do is we have to fetch from $x as a value. So we'll do this. $x as dollar value, and we will print this value over here. Dollar value. We will run, and we have 1, 2, 3. Here we will beautify this so that we have the space 1, 2, and 3. Now, so a quick recap. What is a loop? Loop is used to repeat a block of code for a particular condition. We can categorize the loops into entry control and exit control on the basis of the condition checking. In the entry control, we have while loop and for loop. In the exit control, we have do while loop. If you have any questions, you can ask.